Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I am super excited to share the first ever Midnight Muses box by the Sugar Muses from May 2019. So I was on a trip, and this box came while I was gone, so it's a little smidge late, but I think it literally just came on Saturday. So not too late. The box, I cut off my label, but it is a little bit, a little rough. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. Petals, hearts, roots, and leaves. Beautiful. The black rose. So let's see. Ooh. Cool. Very carefully, because I love these envelopes. The sun. It's one of my very, very favorite cards. I'm a Leo, you know. Oh Lord, my son's in trouble. These are really, really cute. Oh my god. I love this. This is very lovely. Oh, they're kind of stuck together, so that's kind of cool. Salt, rose, sage. Lovely. Ooh. Oh, I love these little roses. Here's a charcoal. Gotta daintily touch stuff, because I'm a ruffian. Cool. Alright. Midnight Garden Ritual Oil. Look how pretty that is. A little bit on. See what this smells like. Ooh, nice. Lovely. We got some incense here. Delicious. Okay, we got a pretty crystal. Oh, goodness. Very pretty. A little bit of pieces of it came out. This is a lovely little Palo Santo. And another one, I don't know, maybe sage, I'd have to check. These are tea lights. It's almost like a starter kit or something, but very nice. Very kind of different, kind of like moodier feel than the Muse box. I love that. That's really cool. Got a scroll here. Ooh. I'm gonna come back to that then. I'm gonna. Oh, there you are. Come here. I don't want to hurt you. Oh, listen, you little hellion. Stop coming in the bedroom if you want to be let out. This dang dog. Okay. Midnight Garden Organic Tea. It's got the ingredients here. Actually, let me scoot this back so we can get everything in frame. I believe now you can see all the goodies in this box. There you go. No! God dang. My dog is driving me flippin' crazy. He wants in, he wants out. He wants in, he wants out. Ooh, what do we have here? I don't even know what I'm looking at. Ooh, don't drop it. Aww. Beautiful. That's lovely. Very nice. That's what those are for. I like that a lot. Very pretty. So let's check her out. The Midnight Muses, the Black Rose Alchemy box, May 2019. The moon has awoken with the sleep of the sun. The light has been broken. The spell has begun. With the Black Rose, we can journey into the depths of our soul and body and emerge from the darkness transformed. We can learn how to integrate our light and darkness, transform our shadow, and honor the divine feminine in all of us. Sage, for cleansing and clearing spaces. There's more. Sage is used in magical workings for immortality, longevity, wisdom, protection, and the granting of wishes. As sage, dispel bags to promote wisdom. Roses are associated with Aphrodite, Adonis, and Eros. Rosewater is a protective agent when worn. Rose petals can be added to charms against the evil eye. Roses are used traditionally in love spells. It can be carried for general good luck and also can be used as offerings. Casting salt contains herbs and flowers that boost the protective energy of the salts. Sage incense sticks. Tea. Palo Santo and wormwood. There we go. Palo Santo is a powerful aid in clearing low vibes and to boost creativity. Wormwood aids in astral projection, divination, and protection. Oh, mica may be used in magic to develop psychic powers, enhance visions, and visualization, and improve intuition. It helps those new to magic avoid being overwhelmed by psychic information and vibrations. Midnight Garden Ritual Oil contains sweet almond oil, floral infused oils, white pepper, roses, and lavender essential oil. Black Rose Tea Light Holder by Alchemy of England, crafted in resin. Tarot card. I got the sun. Tea lights. And of course, there's also charcoal. Thank you for choosing Midnight Muses. I hope you enjoy your May box. Very cool. Very different. Super cool. I'm definitely digging this box. I'm interested to see where it goes. I like the feel so far. Because nothing I have has this kind of edgier vibe. So that's pretty cool. This is kind of like a little ritual thing you can do. So this was my first Midnight Muses box. I feel like it's definitely worth the money. It's 35 bucks. It's very cool. It's supposed to be not darker, but maybe like more shadow work, I guess. I don't know how I would explain it. I guess I will refer you to the description bar to do a little bit more looking. I think it's meant to be a balancing counterpart to the Muse box, but you could probably do it alone as well. There's a lot of offerings here. You can definitely get quite a few rituals out of just this here, or build up your cabinet as you see fit. I definitely like it. It's got a lot of cool stuff. I like the theme. The feel is very lovely. And I am going to be sticking with this box and seeing where it goes. So, what do you guys think? This is the new Midnight Muses box by Sugar Muses, May 2019. The theme is the Black Rose. Thankfully, nothing smells like roses, and I am grateful for that. But everything is absolutely lovely. So, check it out. As always, please like, comment. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.